Good morning, everyone. Merry Christmas. I hope you have an awesome day with whatever you do. Today, right now, everybody's still asleep. We're all being lazy. Dogs are all sleeping around here yet too. So I'm just drinking coffee. And I'm going to finish up my seed order here as soon as I'm done with my video. I sat down last night and started putting in my order. We'll see if everything's still in my cart or if I have to start over. I have a list. I made a list. And so I'm also in the book kind of like check marking what I'm getting. And I'm getting a variety of things. So obviously I'm getting things that I like and that I want to eat once it's grown. The second thing is just trying to find a few things that I'm curious about. And then number 3 is in the catalog, you'll see things marked new. And so I'm trying to find a few that interest me that I really want to try and then tell you what I thought about it. So hopefully I'll get that done here soon, shortly, finally. Keep talking about it. But it's such a huge catalog that you always think you're going to miss something and you go back and you go back. 2024 goals. Do you have them? Did you make them yet? So yesterday, I really, really thought about my goals. Oh, you probably hear my dog snoring. Sleeping hard. 2024 goals. Social media. Oh my goodness. And I've talked about this in the past, but I'm really, really going to narrow it down this year as for a few things. Like, I don't enjoy certain platforms anymore, and I feel like I really need to focus on one. So my favorite is YouTube, and this is where I'm going to focus on my garden things, is on YouTube. Instagram, yes, I do like Instagram. However, it's just I haven't posted as much in the past 2 months maybe, and I've really kind of backed off. I feel like everything is just kind of like stuck. So I'm going to every week kind of take pictures throughout the week, and I'm going to pick out my favorite, post once a week. That's it. And whatever happens to it, happens to it. It's just simply there for me to share what I love to do. So that's Instagram. I did have a Twitter, deleted it, gone, poof, bye-bye. TikTok. Yeah, I decided no more. I've just grown to just not really care for it. Some people love it. That's fine. That's cool. But I've just decided it's just not a good fit for me. So I'm not going to post on there anymore of garden things. So YouTube 2024. And then I'm really excited to expand my garden. I'm going to start making plans this week and hopefully start building my garden beds next weekend. I went and I bought a really awesome looking windmill for this area. And oh my God, I love it. It's bigger looking now that I got it home than it was at the store, but it's really cool. So I can't wait. That'll be like my focal point, and it's gonna be neat when it's done. So I'm excited about expanding the garden, more videos on YouTube, and just hoping for a good year. Last summer was oh my goodness, way too hot here. Very hard time growing things during the summertime, I felt. It's like July, August, September is like sizzling hot. But last year was, ooh, way too hot. I also want to thank all of you who have subscribed to my channel. It has been slow growth, but that's okay. I am just happy and thankful for all of you who have followed me this year. When I started the YouTube channel, it wasn't organized. It's kind of all over the place. Heck, it's still unorganized and all over the place sometimes. But it's focused on gardening. So I thank you all. I do appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you're just scrolling about. Like the video. We'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Merry Christmas.